Artwork number. Title of work: Whisper of Fur. Work's introduction. This painting captures the youthful energy of a dog, lying sprawled on the floor of the same color, yet clearly visible. It lifts its head gently, looking towards the right front, with eyes as clear as an unworldly child. The slight uplift of its mouth radiates a warm, pure, and lovable innocence, as if quietly listening to the whispers of the world.